Ki Nonghikai ki Khynnah Skul ka KGP Girls Higher Secondary School Shillong kila yampat donut hadin baka skul jongki kala kala depe haki thalit ding hak step at hawai tarik jamang arja ar phaulai kane ka skul ka balaseng ki missionary house nam shajar praspa khandai phau ar kala dei ka spa handai ne heritage building ka bayang hakanong ba Shillong karkum ka jing tho ka vice principal ka jing julor ka long hadu khandriu tali ai ki kamra nalor ki tiar ki barim kum ka piano ka ba ais ngobha ki missionary nadu manshua ki kot kisla badan kam ka pisa school ki kamra ba syabam hakadieng ki long jong ka class 6 hadu class 10 kamra principal vice principal ka hall bat ka staff room ki balaj na ka dieng ki dei jong ka building class higher secondary primary but morning section
incident that happened. This was a very, very old school and a very old infrastructure, and it's a great loss for the students, for the school, the church, and the community as a whole. There are many people whose lives were transformed in the school, many people who have studied in the school, and today to see what has happened is something that is very, very sad and very, very tragic. But I wanted to just come here and along with other leaders, and we've met the principal and other managing committee members and the teachers, and we have assured them that we as a government and as a society, we are with them, and we will ensure that we all work together to rebuild the school together. I have promised them that immediately from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I am releasing 1 crore to the school, and after that, once the full detail estimates of the building comes up, then we will work out and we will work together to arrange the necessary funds to ensure that this school comes back to what it was. I'm sure that we cannot give back the same touch to it in the sense that it was a very old and a heritage building, and but I'm sure the managing committee will appropriately decide how to move forward. But as I said, I've come here to show my solidarity with the people and with the students and with the managing committee and the community as a whole, and we assure them of complete help and support from our side. And as I said, we will work together. I know it's a difficult time for them, but let me assure them that we will work together to rebuild the school again. Of course, we don't know that because we need to work on it in detail. There's so much that is lost. We have to first try to retrieve. I was suggesting that we should retrieve as much documents, as much of the whatever is left, and we should not just simply let it go. So it should be done in a proper manner. But the work will start immediately. As I said, we are transferring the funds to them. The managing committee will have to decide on how they will move forward. They'll have to see whether they want to stick with the old design so that the old memory and the structure, the old design remains, or they would like to change it. That's a decision that is not in my capacity. It's the managing committee. So all these factors will have to be considered. But as they move forward, I've just come to express my complete concern and also to let them know that we are with them and we will give complete support to ensure that we build it back together.
With this whole school?
These are matters that, of course, we have just discussed for a minute. They are right now immediately asking the parents to come and for at least a few days or a few weeks. I was told that the managing committee has decided to let the students go back. But again, that's a decision the managing committee will have to take on how they want to move forward in it. As a government, as I said, we will give full support in whatever way they require it, whether it's a temporary location or whatever. That is something that, as I said, the school and the managing committee will first have to decide. So I think it is slightly early to go into all those details because this happened, everybody's in shock. I think we have to allow them to just recover from that, and then let's see how to move forward. But I've requested the principal and the managing committee and the teachers that they should start thinking about all these matters, even though it's not even been 24 hours since this happened. But all these factors are being discussed, and the managing committee will take a decision, and we will support them in every way possible. All with you, we will ensure that we rebuild this together. We will get the design done. We will rebuild it together. I have told your principal also that immediately from my Minister's Special Development Fund, I'll be releasing 1 crore to the school account so that you can really start the work. And after that, from the government side, we will give all the necessary help to ensure that we're able to rebuild the school. So keep faith. Okay. I know it's a difficult time. It's the moment you all need to be together. You have to have faith in God, pray, and He will definitely bless us. We will all, as I said, we will all do this together. You are not alone in this. We are all with you, whether it's the community, whether it's the leaders here, whether it's the government, and even at the individual level, I'm also there to help anybody possible. Don't worry.
Chief Minister juga, Shri Conrad Sangma, kalau batai dan kita kejinut ka bagajengge ka baka school ka ikandu kumari ngapur. The Honorable CM we long immediately na sanction si kuro tengka na kabanta ban sedang no igakam, but gibi-gibi di kejingerap na kaliang jong sarkar. Ilaya perkhat na kaliang jong ka cabinet kino ban perkhat kubar ai jingerap ham shushu nam ta kejinut kam jong ni ka school. Mare ni ka school ka belar rem tam. Di ka heritage building pagi suatu kadon kejing no warra biang keju ke structure ke beladon ke por barim henry na kaliang jong ka managing committee kumai kren ya i principal yang ikwa hi biang men warra biang ke tu keju ka all heritage building ke begila betau tamai adu men among ni yang dang don bun ke di building ya ke begila ben shift temporary dan benda ben pelong ke school ke ni ke keju ke bos